Hello, guys. Welcome to Nana's Food World. Merry Christmas to you all. Today we are doing my cinnamon and orange Christmas cake. It's so delicious. Just look at how I have decorated them nicely. You can do this with your kids and your family, and they are going to enjoy this, guys. So you have to stay with me today and just come along with me and let's do this delicious cake. It's a very easy recipe, I can tell you that. So guys, just look at that. Isn't it beautiful? It's lovely. So come along with me and let's do this. So guys, to start, I have my eggs, I have my brown sugar, and I have some oranges that I have cut them to small pieces. Don't peel the orange, just cut them to small pieces. I'm going to blend this together nicely. I told you it's a very easy recipe, okay? So blend them together, and I'm going to add them to our dry ingredients. As easy as that, and it gives you a very lovely cake. So this is a dry ingredients I'm adding. I have my flour, I have my cinnamon, I have baking powder. I'll put all the measurement down below in the description box for you, so don't worry about that. And I mix it nicely until it's all well incorporated. And then yeah, just look at that. I just finished blending that. And you just make sure that it's smooth, blended nicely. And I'm going to just add my oil. This is vegetable oil I'm adding, and also I'm going to add some vanilla extract. Okay, so the ingredients are not that much, so but it is really delicious. So I've added my vanilla extract, and I'm going to add my dry ingredient, which is the flour. So come along with me. So guys, this is my cake batter. I'm going to put them into my silicone Christmas mold. It's just so beautiful. Okay, you can use any mold of your choice, but guys, you have to fill it 3/4 full or it's going to overflow. Okay, so I fill it 3/4 full nicely, and I'm going to put that into the oven at 170 degrees for about 30 minutes. Okay, so it's all done, as you can see, and I'm going to put that into the oven. It is quite easy. Okay, yes, it is all cooked and baked nicely, and I'm cooling it now, and I'm going to decorate it, just showing you what it looks like. I am so happy with the outcome. All right, just look at that. I have my star, or I have my snowman. Yeah, my kids were really happy with this. Yeah, so even as it's cooled now, we are going to decorate it. So just look at how I decorated it. Come along with me and enjoy watching with me. Right, so looking at the other side of the cake, it can't stand properly, so you have to straighten it up. So that's what I'm doing, just cutting a bit of it so that it can really stand properly. Okay, so it's all done and it's ready to decorate. Guys, I'm so excited, and my kids are excited too. By the way, I use already made icing sugar. Yeah, it's very easy. You can make it yourself if you want to, but this is really easy. Just buy it from the shops. So guys, as you can see, I love what I'm doing. So if you're new here, thank you so much for coming. This is Nana's Food World. This is where we do lovely recipes. If you're an old subscriber coming back, I am so grateful that you came back. Merry Christmas to you all. I hope you have a really happy Christmas and a very happy new year. Okay, so guys, you have to really try this recipe. It's so delicious, and it's really fun time that you can have this Christmas with your family. Thank you so much. Please like this recipe, and please share, and please subscribe as well. Thank you so much for doing that. So guys, as you can see, it's all done. I'm showing you what I've done. I loved it. My kids loved it. So guys, try it and you're going to love it. If you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up, okay? And please subscribe to my channel. Do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching, and may God richly bless you. Bye.